If you've been wondering how to change the timeline size in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to zoom in and out of your timeline, adjust the track height, and make your editing workspace much easier to use. Whether your clips look too tiny, your timeline feels crowded, or you just want a cleaner editing view, these simple CapCut tricks will save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about horizontal zoom, which is the best way to expand or narrow the clip length you see on screen. This is perfect when you want to see more detail in your edits or pull back for a wider view of the whole project. The fastest method is using your mouse wheel. Hold down Ctrl on your keyboard, then scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in and make the timeline bigger. If you want to zoom out and see more of your project at once, hold Ctrl and scroll down. This shortcut is super useful because it lets you adjust the timeline instantly without moving through menus. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, CapCut also gives you a quick way to zoom. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in or Ctrl and minus to zoom out. This works great if you're editing without a mouse or just want a more precise shortcut-based workflow. It's one of those small features that can make your editing feel much smoother once you start using it regularly. Now, if you want CapCut to automatically fit the whole project into your timeline view, use the Zoom to Fit shortcut. Just press Shift and Z, and CapCut will instantly snap the full timeline to fit your screen. This is especially helpful when you've zoomed in too far and want to quickly get back to a full project overview. It's also a great way to check the overall structure of your edit before making final adjustments. Another easy option is the UI slider. Look at the top right corner of the timeline panel and you'll see a slider with minus and plus icons. You can click and drag that slider to control how large or small the timeline appears. Drag it toward the plus side to zoom in or toward the minus side to zoom out. If you like using on-screen controls instead of shortcuts, this is probably the most comfortable method. Next, let's cover vertical zoom, which changes the track height in CapCut PC. This is useful when you want your tracks to appear taller for easier editing, or shorter so you can see more layers at once. To change the track height quickly, find the three dots icon next to the track name on the far left side of the timeline. Click it, and you'll usually see options like Short, Default, and Tall. Choose Short if you want a more compact timeline, Default for a balanced view, or Tall if you want bigger tracks and more spacing for precise editing. If you want even more control, you can manually drag the track height. Move your cursor over the thin horizontal borderline between tracks, or hover near the top edge of the timeline panel until the cursor changes into a double-headed resize arrow. Then click and drag up or down to resize the space. Dragging upward makes the track area taller, while dragging downward makes it smaller. This is a great option if you want to customize your workspace exactly how you like it. So, to quickly recap, use Ctrl plus mouse wheel or the keyboard shortcuts to change horizontal zoom, press Shift plus Z to fit the full timeline, use the slider for quick visual adjustments, and use the track options or manual drag to change vertical zoom. Once you get used to these controls, editing in CapCut PC becomes a lot faster and a lot more comfortable. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.